In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize customer data in HubSpot CRM. If you're managing customer relationships and need to streamline your data, HubSpot CRM offers a straightforward solution, and I'm here to guide you through it. Let's dive into the process, making it as simple and efficient as possible. First, we'll start by heading over to the HubSpot homepage. You can access this directly by visiting their website. For those who might be new to HubSpot, this is where you'll find all the tools that HubSpot offers for your business. Once you're there, the next thing you'll want to do is log in. Look for the log in button, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking this will lead you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home dashboard. This is your central hub for everything HubSpot. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. From here, our goal is to access the CRM section, which is an essential feature for managing your customer data effectively. Navigate to where it says CRM and click on it. This will take you to the heart of your customer management tools. In the CRM section, we want to focus on contacts. Click on contacts and you'll be presented with a list of all your stored customer data. This is where the magic happens in terms of organizing and managing. Now, the data might seem overwhelming at first, especially if you have a long list of contacts. But don't worry, HubSpot provides some excellent features to help you manage this data efficiently. To refine your contact list and make it more manageable, we'll use the Advanced Filters feature. Look for the Advanced Filters option and click on it. This tool is incredibly powerful. It allows you to customize how you view your data, enabling you to filter contacts based on specific criteria such as location, date of entry, or any custom properties you've set up. This targeted approach can really help to declutter your view and give you quicker access to the information that's most relevant to you. Whether you're new to HubSpot or a seasoned user, these steps are designed to help you navigate and organize your CRM data with ease. Implementing these strategies will not only improve how you manage customer data, but also enhance your relationships with your clientele, enabling more personalized and effective communication. I hope you found these instructions helpful in getting your customer data organized in HubSpot CRM. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to becoming more efficient with your data management tasks. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to leverage HubSpot for your business needs.